Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this crochet wrap skirt, which is very easy and beginner friendly. For this project you will need your choice of yarn, 3.5mm hook, 2 stitch markers, tapestry needle and scissors. For my skirt I used paintbox cotton 4-ply yarn in color mint green, and for my size, which is medium, it took 4 balls of yarn for the full skirt. So let's begin. First we're going to do the waist strap. Start with a slip knot. And chain a long chain enough to go around and tie it together. I chained around 346 chains. And then after you think you have enough, wrap it around you like so and see if you need to chain more or less. When you're happy with your strap length, for row 1 we're going to do a row of single crochets. So put your hook through first stitch from the hook. Yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over and pull yarn through, and keep repeating this until you reach the end of the row. If you're using thicker yarn when I am here, you might be okay with only one row of single crochets, but as I am using quite thin yarn, for row 2 I'm going to do another row of single crochets. So chain 1, turn your work, and do another row of single crochets. And after you're done, fasten your yarn off. Cut it off, and our strap is done. So now for the main skirt part, wrap your strap around your waist. And mark it with stitch markers where you want your skirt to start and end. Remember, as it is a wrap skirt, it will overlap on one side. So for me, I wanted to be a bit of a space here, so I want the front to finish here. and the part that is covered to stop here. When you have marked your skirt space, it should look something like this, so skirt part is between the stitch markers and the rest is a strap to wrap around. As you can see, one is longer as it will actually go around your waist, and another one is just on the side to make the bow. Now we're going to take our strap and attach yarn where the first stitch marker is. So chain 2, and now we're going to do a double crochet. So to do that, yarn over, put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And keep doing double crochet till you reach the second stitch marker. So now we're done with our row, and for the following rows we're going to keep doing double crochets but with increases. So put your strap around your waist again, and with stitch markers mark the places where your hips are. In those stitches we're going to work increases. So for row 4, chain 2, turn your work and do double crochets till you reach your stitch marker. Now we reached our first stitch marker. Here we are going to do our increase. So take the stitch marker out, do double crochet into the stitch, and now for the increase we're going to do another double crochet into the same stitch. And this is how you make an increase. After, put your stitch marker into one of the increased stitches for the next row and continue doing double crochets till the next stitch marker. Now we are at our second stitch marker, and again we're going to do increase into the marked stitch. So take your stitch marker out and do 2 double crochets into the same stitch like so. Put your stitch marker into one of the increases. And keep doing double crochets till the end of the row. Now for the rest of the skirt, we're going to do double crochets with increases where we put our stitch markers. All rows are going to be double crochets and with 2 increases where the stitch markers are. And do this till you reach the desired length of your skirt. This is how it looks after I have done 16 rows. In total I did 42 rows, and this is how it looks. After that, when you reach the desired length of your skirt, you can either stop there or do the final touch, which is the single crochet edge. And for the edge, we are going to do single crochets at the bottom of the skirt and at the sides here. And here. So take your skirt and just do single crochets till you reach the corner. For the corner, do a single crochet into the last stitch, and then again do one more single crochet into the same stitch to make the corner. And for the sides, as there's no direct stitches to go into, I just went into these gaps here, one single crochet per gap. After you crochet all the edges with single crochet, fasten your yarn like so. And your finished edge should look something like this. And now the last step is to weave in your yarn, and most of the yarn ends are close to the waist strap, I weave them into the strap like so. So you're gonna put your yarn into the needle, and then just go with needle under the stitches or like in between the stitch, so this hides the yarn later on. And after, just pull through, stretch it out a bit, and then pull it a bit, cut it, and kind of stretch it out again so it's fully hidden, and after just do the same to all your loose ends. And after you've weaved in your ends, you're done with your skirt. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're happy with your new skirt. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking this video and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you, and I will see you in my future videos.